Okay, today we're going to do our dictation. This week, remember, we're working on A, magic E. So we know A, magic E. When we have that E at the end, we're going to have a long A sound. On the dictation paper, we see these 3 stars. That's going to remind us that we have a magic silent E that we have to write. Okay, so follow along as I write the words, and you can write them with me too. The first word we're going to write today is crate. 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 And then I add my magic E because the A says A. And I have the word crate. Number 2 is the word Jane. This is somebody's name. Jane. 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 Capital J because it's her name. Jane. Jane. Magic E at the end. Rewrite the word Jane. Number 3 is the word flake. 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 In a magic E word, after the vowel, if we hear the k sound, it's always going to be a K. Flake. Flake. Number 4, trade. 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 Magic E. Trade. Number 5 is a 2-syllable word. The word is cascade. Cascade. My first syllable is cas. Ass. Ass. Cas. I hear a short A here. My second syllable is cade. 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 There's a long A. Magic E. Cascade. Now we'll rewrite the word. Cascade. And number 6 is also a 2-syllable word. It is escape. Escape. The first syllable is S. 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 Short E says S. The second syllable is cape. 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 There's a long A, magic E. The word is escape. Let's read through the words we wrote today. Crate, Jane, flake, trade, cascade, escape.